it's me Momita. Welcome to my channel Sip and Snacks. Today I want to start my video by thanking all my subscribers for constantly supporting me, liking my videos and giving some sweet comments in the comment section. Thank you so much. That means a lot to me. It gives me energy, motivation to keep working on YouTube. And those who are new to my channel and didn't subscribe yet, hi, it's me Momita. Here I share some simple and quick cooking videos, share my small travel vlogs with you all. If you like the content, please subscribe to my channel. Your support means a lot to me. So, coming back to today's topic, today I'm going to show a very simple and easy detox drink which will help you to cut off the fats, the belly fats we all have. It's very easy to make and one of the key ingredients it is chia seed. One of the drink is little bit flavored and one is very basic. The basic one you can include in your day-to-day life. So without further delay, let's begin with the video.
Let's turn on the flame and put some water to boil. Here I took some green tea leaves. You can take any tea leaves of your choice. Bring it to roll boil. Once it gets boiled, turn off the flame. And strain the tea in a jar or a serving glass. I took a jar, you can use cup also. In that I added 1 teaspoon of chia seeds and your drink is ready. Okay, coming back to next drink. Here I took some lukewarm water and adding 1 teaspoon of chia seed. Give it a mix. Adding some honey to it. Adding some lemon juice. You can use it as a overnight drink also. You make it at night, keep it in the freezer, next morning you can have it in an empty stomach. And your simple and quick chia seed drink is ready. Enjoy the two flavored of chia seeds.
Thank you for watching the video. Give a try to these drinks. Let me know your experience in the comment section. You know the drill. If you like the video, hit the like button, share with the family and friends. And for more such recipe, please subscribe to my channel.